Benjamin Benjibanez Magalong, born December 15, 1960, is a Filipino politician and retired police officer serving as the mayor of Baguio since 2019. Before entering politics, he served in the Philippine Constabulary and Philippine National Police (PNP) for 38 years. He was the chief of the Cordillera Regional Police Office, the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group (CIDG), and the Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management (DIDM). He retired with the rank of Police Deputy Director General as the PNP's Deputy Chief for Operations. Born and raised in Baguio, Magalong graduated from the Philippine Military Academy in 1982. He first served in Abra and Agusan del Norte before joining the Special Action Force SAF and heading its Special Operations Battalion from 1997 to 2001. He was accused of plotting to assassinate President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo in 2001, but was later cleared in 2005. He then led the quelling of the March 2005 prison riot in Camp Bagong Diwa. In 2006, he was detained for 3 months after joining an alleged failed coup attempt against Arroyo. After his reinstatement, he was assigned to the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency (PDEA) and the Quezon City Police Office. He then became the director of the CIDG and chairman of the PNP Board of Inquiry on the Mamasapano incident. Magalong published the investigation report on March 13, 2015, which implicated PNP Chief Alan Purisima and President Benigno Aquino III of misconduct leading to the deaths of 40 SAF troopers. In 2019, Magalong testified before the Senate accusing PNP Chief Oscar Albaeld of protecting police officers involved in the drug trade. He served as the contact tracing czar of the Philippine government's response to the COVID-19 pandemic from July 2020 until his irrevocable resignation on January 29, 2021. Magalong led the Board of Inquiry on the Mamasapano incident. Pressure came from various groups telling him to either soften the president's liability or to not release the report at all. On March 13, 2015, the boy released their report on the incident. It indicted President Benigno Aquino III, Alan Purisima, and SAF Chief Gachulio Napenas as liable for the deaths of the 44 SAF troopers for bypassing the chain of command. After the report had been released, he was transferred to the PNP Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management in July 2015 by the new PNP Chief Ricardo Marquez. Though new Mayor Magalong's roots lie in Pangasinan, he's a Baguio boy through and through. Magalong attended St. Louis University for both his elementary and high school education until his graduation in 1977. Then, he continued his studies at the Philippine Military Academy. He belonged to the Sandigan class of 1982 and graduated magna cum laude. In his 38-year career in the PNP, Magalong earned himself 166 military and PNP achievement and merit medals for his law enforcement and combat accomplishments. Among those are the PNP Gold Cross, the Distinguished Conduct Star, and the Distinguished Service Star. He was also awarded the Individual Achievement Award for Criminal Investigation during the 113th Police Service anniversary. And most recently, he was awarded the 2017 Outstanding Citizen of Baguio City in the field of public service. Magalong also didn't stop adding to his academic achievements. In the Philippine National Oil Company, where he previously served as a board member, he completed numerous law enforcement courses in the country as well as abroad. Then, in his time in the SAF, he founded the SAF Seaborne and Sniper Unit. Aside from being a decorated law enforcer, he is also a scuba diver, a boxer, a parachutist, and a member of the PNP shooting team. Mayor Benjamin Magalong goes by many names. His friends from the PMA address him by Benji or Maggie Boy, but there was one point in his career that he was known as the Dragon. One of the highlights in Magalong's career is when he led the investigation on the Mamasapano clash in 2015. He was steadily advancing in his career at that point, earning promotions from year to year. However, that case put him and his career in hot waters, even outcasting him after the investigation. Despite that, he stood steadfast. He delivered results that opened the eyes of the nation to what led to the deadly encounter. His team were behind the Oplan Cronus plan. It gave life to the successful massive raid in the National Bilibid prison dealing with the prevalent drug transactions inside the prison. 19 high-profile inmates were identified to be responsible for the massive drug production in the prison. Magalong also once headed the successful Patrol Plan 2030 program that sought to make physical and internal transformations to the offices of the PNP. Surprisingly, Magalong almost didn't go down the path that he took. He admitted that he entered the PMA by chance. It was his classmate who convinced him to apply. He was told that he only needed to march and he already has a salary. In his interview, he said, "Before I knew it, I was drawn to a special kind of life, highly structured but ruled by the honor society of the PMA. We lived by it, and I, myself, became a member of the honor committee." April 1982, a new and different Benji Magalong emerged from the gates of the academy. In the end, he graduated on top of his class, and he became the third highest ranking official in the PNP, retiring as a 2-star general. Now, he's back to continue his duties as a public servant through the mayoral position of Baguio City. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.